want, the place we want to live in. This is the life we long to be. Our next song is in Filipino, but we have it translated so that everybody would understand the full message of the song. Actually, it's a new song. When I started writing the song, actually I'm thinking of a love song. But it turned out to be a song also for the people who are deprived of freedom and the people who are longing for freedom.
When you are not here, wherever you are, I will look for you. It's a promise to honor whatever challenge may be. I will always assert my essential purpose. The day is lifeless, the night is lonely when you are not here. Life has without meaning, and the world is colorless when you are not here. Freedom, the streets, fields, and hills, in every corner, in every conceivable place. I will seek you, I will dive the seas, move heavens to reclaim you, for I am restless without you. To finally hold you within my grasp, I will overcome any obstacles to have even a glimpse of you. I scorn all attempts.
So here's the song. Saan ka man naroon, ikaw ay hahanapin ko pangako. Tubugtin. Ano pa mang maging hamon, laging ipaglalaban ko, wagas kong hangarin. Umaga ay nagluluksa, ang gabi ay ulila, pag ikaw ay wala. Ang buhay ay walang saysay at ang mundo'y walang kulay, pag ikaw ay wala. Laya, laya, laya. Laya, laya, laya. Sa dagat, bukid at bundok, sa bawat liblib at sulok, kita ay tutuntun. dagat ay sisisirin, tuga-tugay aakyatin, muli kang aangkinin. Pagkat ako'y di payapa, hanggat di ka nakikita at muling mayakap. At kahit na anong hadlang upang ika'y masilayan, hamakin ang lahat. Laya, laya, laya. Laya, laya, laya. Saan ka man naroroon, ikaw ay hahanapin ko, laya. Laya. So our last song is a tribute to all women for their contribution in society and their heroism. And we have also a translation of the song because it's in Filipino.
Empowered woman. Whenever my eyes gaze, there and everywhere it shines. The role in the progress of society is incomparable. You possess the strength, wisdom, and dedication to forge a free tomorrow. You are worth your weight in gold towards changing the world. You are a woman, emancipated from your gilded cage, finally breaking the chains of your oppression, creating her story in all realms. You are a woman seizing victory from all corners of the world. Your voice is now being recognized because you have the right and the power to fight. You are the woman empowered.
Kahit saan man baling ang palingin, naroroon, naririyan, nagniningning. Ang iyong ambag sa pag-unlad ng libon ay walang katulad. Babae kang lumaya sa tahanang bilangguan. Ang dapat kang kanina ay ninagot mo ng tuluyan. Lumilikha ng kasaysayan kahit saan mang larangan. Babae kang naghahatid ng tagumpay. Kahit saan mang sulok ng daigdig, mapag Mapagpasyang tinig nyo ngayon'y maririnig, pagkat ika'y may karapat at paninindigang matatag. Babae kang lumaya sa tahanang bilangguan, ang gapos ng kahinaan nilagot mo ng tuluyan. Lumilikha ng kasaysayan kahit saan mang larangan, babae kang naghahatid ng tagumpay. Babae kang lumaya sa tahanang bilangguan, ang gapos ng kahinaan nilagot mo ng tuluyan. Lumilikha ng kasaysayan kahit saan mang larangan, babae kang naghahatid ng tagumpay. Kahit saan mang sulok ng daigdig, mapagpasyang tinig nyo ngayon'y maririnig, pagkat ika'y may karapat at paninindigang matatag. Babae kang lumaya sa tahanang bilangguan, ang gapos ng kahinaan nilagot mo ng tuluyan. Lumilikha ng kasaysayan kahit saan mang larangan, babae kang naghahatid ng tagumpay. Babae kang lumaya sa tahanang bilangguan, ang gapos ng kahinaan nilagot mo ng tuluyan. Lumilikha ng kasaysayan kahit saan mang larangan, babae kang naghahatid ng tagumpay. Lumilikha ng kasaysayan kahit saan mang larangan, babae kang naghahatid ng tagumpay.